welcome back to the channel. I'm Mitali and it's been a long while. I'm really sorry. It's been almost a month since I shot a proper talking video. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. Another thing that in this video you might face a little bit of audio issue because मैं अपना mic college में भूल आई हूँ and I'm home right now. So please bear with me. And this specific video is going to be about my first month through MBBS. So let's quickly start the video. Okay, so firstly and foremostly, a lot of people were like constantly DMing me, commenting that why you not shooting videos, no vlogs, nothing. I am really sorry. I am still like settling down in the college, in the hostel. I'm still getting accustomed to a lot of things in college, and that is why I couldn't really shoot a proper video, a proper vlog. I shot a vlog of the white coat ceremony, but unfortunately my phone got formatted and all the clips got deleted, and that is why I had to just arrange all the pictures in a slideshow form, and that is what I could put up on YouTube. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it up here somewhere. Please go check it out and tell me how do you like it. Now let me start the real story of my first month of MBBS. Another thing, it might get a little bit boring because I am just gonna speak for the next few minutes. I'll try to keep it as short as possible, but still bear with me and watch till the end. Let's go. Okay, so I went to college on the 4th of March, and the first day, like, it wasn't really the first day, it was just like the day when I got my hostel. I settled all my stuff there, all the things, and I just got a proper room there. On the 5th of March we had a white coat ceremony, jiska ek video I have put on YouTube. You must check it out. The white coat ceremony was really fun, and it was really an honor, a pride to wear that white coat. It was like I felt amazing wearing it. Nextly, we got a holiday for like the 6th and 7th because it was a weekend basically, and we got our classes properly kick-started from the 8th of March. So talking about the classes, what's happening right now is that we are having practicals offline. We go and we do the practicals, and talking about the theory classes, they're still happening online only. We sit in our hostels and we do all our online classes with our devices, laptops and whatever. Talking about our schedule, so it is really very hectic. We have our practicals in the morning from 9 to 1, a lunch break from 1 to 3, and then online classes from 3 to 6. So it is really hectic, and that is one of the reasons why I just couldn't get time to shoot anything or to do anything. But hopefully in this month of April the schedule will get better, and hopefully I will get to shoot more of things and I'll get more of time, though I have 2 tests also scheduled in this month of April. So let's see. So I had also put up a question tag on Instagram, on my Instagram story, and also a story on YouTube in which I had asked you for questions, and I will be answering a few of them that I got. So the first and the most asked question was that what and how was my experience and reaction of first going to the dissection hall. So honestly, we went there. It was the second day in college when we first got to go to the dissection hall, and we were first made accustomed to basic things like bones and all. There was a demonstration, and then we were taken to the actual cadaver, which we call, and the teacher, she just removed the cloth from over it, and that is when we first saw the dead body. So honestly, initially, just like for the first 10 seconds I felt a little bit awkward and a little bit, nervous. But yeah, after that, I was pretty much fine, and now it's been almost a month. Now we are very very accustomed to it. We literally don't feel any awkwardness or anything. It's very cool now, it's very chill. We study properly on it, we see all the things that we are shown by our teachers, and yeah, it's going really really well. Like the dissection hall, yeah, just the smell of formalin and all that irritates the eyes and the nose a bit too much, but otherwise it's pretty good. Another thing that people were asking me about, that what am I using for my note taking and stuff. So basically, one thing that I want to make very very clear is that abhi I have just started my first year. I literally have no experience of things, so I really can't advise you about what you should do. I can just tell you that what am I doing, and plus अभी तक मेरा कोई एग्ज़ाम या टेस्ट कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, so I don't know how are these things that I'm using or doing turning out for me. एक बार I get my scores तो मुझे पता चले कि मैं पता नहीं ढंग से पढ़ भी रही हूँ या नहीं, I don't know. So talking about note taking, what am I doing? I'll tell you. I am not completely dependent on pen and paper for my note taking, and I'm not also completely dependent on digital notes. I use both of them. I use a combination of them to make my studies a little bit interactive, a little bit colorful, a little bit feel good for me. So I have iPad Air. I don't remember the generation, I'm very sorry, but yeah, I just bought it before going to college, so I use my iPad Air for my digital note taking. Talking about the apps, again I will say that मैं बिल्कुल beginner हूँ इस चीज़ पे, so better not take my advice like better not take my advices too seriously. I'll just tell you what am I using. अभी तक I have not bought any app because I thought that will be a little too early. Abhi I'm using only the free subscriptions of a few apps. I use OneNote by Microsoft and I use Concepts. So these are the two apps which I really like and which I use for my note taking. And apart from that, I obviously have a laptop which is used mostly for my online classes and a little bit of miscellaneous stuff. उसके अलावा फ़ोन तो obviously है ही. Phone I mostly use to watch videos. I watch videos on my phone and I take notes on my iPad. That is what I do mostly. Talking about the pen and paper note taking, I use normal spiral notebooks, colorful pens, highlighters and stuff to make my notes good and colorful. Though pen and paper note taking में मैं अभी काफ़ी lag कर रही हूँ. I have not made like many or really good notes, but I'll try to do it from now. As I said, I'm still settling, so yeah, I'll try to do this. This is one of the things that is still on my list that is to be completed. So yeah. Also, once I get accustomed to these things, once I get a bit of experience, I will definitely share with you all the things, all the planning stuff and all the apps that I am using or you must use. But I just want to get a bit more experienced on these things before sharing it with you guys. Another very frequently asked question is that people ask me that MBBS is stereotyped to be very very study centric and you just have to study and do nothing else. You don't get time to chill or have spend time with your friends and all that. So let me tell you that abhi ke liye like जितना मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, आई नो दैट इट्स माई फर्स्ट ईयर का भी फर्स्ट मंथ, तो लोड काफ़ी कम है अभी हम पे. लोड बढ़ेगा एज इन व्हेन वी प्रोसीड, बट ऑल आई नो इज़ दैट अभी तक ऐसा नहीं है दैट वी आर जस्ट स्टडिंग एंड वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग एल्स एंड there's just study. No, it's not like that. We have fun, we do things, we do stuff, and it's really interesting to what we basically do is we study on the weekdays and then we go out and chill out with our friends on weekends. ऐसा नहीं है that we don't chill on the weekdays also, but the duration of chilling on the weekdays is a bit less and weekends we chill out much more. So that is what we do. And ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है that you won't get to party and all. And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि as in when we proceed further तो syllabus बढ़ जाएगा. जैसे जैसे syllabus भी बढ़ेगा, we will also get accustomed to the syllabus in studying, and we will, I think, be able to make time for our friends and chilling as well. So you don't need to worry about that you won't get time to do all this. Just, follow your heart. Do what makes you happy. Okay, another very commonly and frequently asked question was about ragging, that how did you face it and what was it, what happened exactly. Honestly, let me tell you that for me at least, जितना मैंने experience किया है, there is nothing that you can call ragging at MAMC. Like, there is interaction, but there is nothing like ragging, nothing that you need to worry about, nothing that you need to, be worried, nothing at all. It's really fun to interact with your seniors. They are all very helpful, very caring. They tell you everything that you need to do, that you should do, that you shouldn't do, everything. So they're really helpful, they're really good. I personally didn't feel anything like ragging in my college. Nextly, and most probably lastly, a few things that I would like to share is that MBBS and medical profession is known to be very exhaustive. बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता है, बहुत चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं. आई एम अग्रीइंग कि बहुत चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं, but honestly what I feel is that you get to experience so many different things, so many different incidents, that honestly people your age who are non-medicos cannot even think of experiencing or seeing. For example, I at the age of 18 have seen a dead body, dissected it, seen all the muscles, nerves, veins that run through my body, through your body, through anyone's body. When I think about it, it gives me a chilling feeling that I have done it, and people my age who are non-medicos can't even think that this can happen in front of their eyes. Before I was a medico, before I entered medical college, मुझे खुद इतना अजीब लगता था ऐसे सोच के, but now I feel really it is accomplishing that you get to do these things on your own. Nextly, being a medico, I got my COVID vaccine shot. I felt really proud, though I haven't done anything. I'm not a COVID warrior or anything, but yes, I got my COVID shot, which gave me a sense of responsibility as well, that in the future I will have to serve the people. So yeah, that was another thing that gave me a really chilling feeling. Nextly, talking about studies. So honestly, MBBS studies are exhaustive, are really hard, but trust me, जैसे our seniors tell us, our teachers tell us that you're not the first batch who is experiencing it. Every year batches आते हैं, वो परेशान होते हैं, but they study with consistency and they pass, they move ahead. So ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है that it's impossible or something, but yeah, it's hard. Agreed, it's hard, but this is what it is. You are getting so many experiences, तो उसके बदले there is just this immense syllabus that you have to cover and study, but it is really, really fun. So this was it from my side. This was about my first month through MBBS. I hope to see you very, very soon with more content regarding MBBS and other stuff, so that I can show you exactly what is happening and how is it happening. I'll try to shoot more vlogs and videos, I promise, but please give me time. I will definitely get back. And yes, finally, thank you so much for loving and supporting the channel so much, for giving so much love on my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video also till the end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to leave a comment. If you have any kinds of questions which you want me to answer in the future, do drop them in the comments. Do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again very soon. And also do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. All my links, my blog, everything will be in the description, so do check it out. And yeah, do let me know if you have to ask anything. I will definitely try to answer it. I will see you soon, very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.